The next video presents a loading line for sandwich bread. The meat slices are placed on trays in pairs, and then moved to the processing stage. This is a fully integrated processing line for automatically producing high-quality sausages for one of the largest premium sausage manufacturers in the UK. The Combino belt system ensures perfect finishing for sweet buns uniform and shiny glazing for the best results. Apricot glaze. Soft candy or icing and drying done in a flash. Introducing the new Deli Cut. RCL 300 is an automatic solution for making kebab sissi. Grill in trays or sticks in multiple lanes directly on grilling or drying trays. It can create 2 to a maximum of 8 sheets simultaneously with a maximum diameter of 30 mm. The panini line includes a belt assembly and modules for cutting and opening panini bread, as well as dosing butter, sauce, and other ingredients. This customizable and flexible line allows the production of multiple product formulas on the same line. If you don't like our video, comment with a 0. Multivex flexible crate packaging solutions are designed to fit most production line layouts, and the product loading process can be customized to meet customer requirements. These types of products are ideal for industrial supply and subsequent melting, for decoration and use in other products, especially cookies and ice cream. With just a simple operation, you can create a series of lovely, regular dumplings with perfect folds in just a snap. Modern machinery will take care of stuffing, shaping, and folding the cakes. revolutionizing cheesemaking. Introducing our mixing and weighing solution. Welcome to our latest innovation in the world of cheesemaking. Are you ready to streamline your production process and take your cheesemaking game to the next level? The flexible drive design allows for the creation of a conveyor suitable for various applications, from light snacks, various grains, baked goods, dried fruits and cereals, to frozen and wet products. Often chosen for the cheese industry, our regular wire cutting machine is specially designed to portion various types of block and round cheese without the need for ultrasonic technology. The most modern pork processing plant I have ever seen. If you like our video, please comment number 1. Shred the entire block of cheese at once. The RG400i cheese shredder shreds up to 2.9 tons of cheese per hour. Is user-friendly and easy to clean. The machine and accessories are completely stainless steel. Scott successfully designed, built and installed an efficient multi-line queuing system at the leading Czech dairy producer.